2186 species in genus Bulbophyllum. A deep dive into the diverse world of Bulbophyllum orchids. Hi, I'm Fervu, and I'm fascinated by the incredible diversity found within the plant kingdom. Today, I want to share my passion for a particular genus of orchids, Bulbophyllum. This is the largest genus in Orchidaceae, the orchid family, and one of the largest genera of flowering plants in the world. With over 2,000 species, it boasts an incredible array of shapes, sizes, and colors, making it a delight for any orchid enthusiast. What makes Bulbophyllum unique? Bulbophyllum orchids are predominantly epiphytes, meaning they grow on other plants, typically trees, for support. They can also be lithophytes, growing on rocks. Rarely, they are terrestrial. They are found in tropical and subtropical regions across the globe, with the highest concentration of species in Southeast Asia, New Guinea, and Madagascar. These orchids are easily recognizable by their unique growth habit. They have creeping rhizomes from which arise pseudobulbs, which are swollen stems that store water and nutrients. Each pseudobulb typically produces 1 or 2 leathery leaves. The flowers arise from the base of the pseudobulb and can be solitary or arranged in inflorescences. One of the most captivating aspects of Bulbophyllum is the sheer variety in their floral morphology. The flowers come in a dazzling array of colors, from vibrant reds and yellows to subtle greens and browns. They often have intricate patterns and unusual shapes, some even mimicking insects or other animals to attract pollinators. This incredible diversity is a testament to the genus's adaptability and evolutionary success. A glimpse into Bulbophyllum's diversity. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Why I'm drawn to Bulbophyllum. My fascination with Bulbophyllum stems from their unique beauty and the challenges they present in cultivation. Unlike some other orchid genera, Bulbophyllums can be quite demanding in terms of their growing conditions. They require specific levels of humidity, temperature, and light to thrive. However, the rewards of successfully cultivating these orchids are immense. Seeing a rare and unusual Bulbophyllum bloom in my own home is an incredibly satisfying experience. Beyond the horticultural aspect, I'm also drawn to the ecological importance of Bulbophyllum. As a keystone species in many tropical ecosystems, they play a vital role in supporting biodiversity. Their flowers provide nectar and pollen for a variety of insects, and their aerial roots offer shelter for small animals. By studying and conserving these orchids, we can contribute to the preservation of these fragile ecosystems. Exploring the world of Bulbophyllum. If you're interested in learning more about Bulbophyllum, there are many resources available. The American Orchid Society and the Royal Horticultural Society offer extensive information on orchid cultivation and conservation. Online databases like OrchidWiz and the Plant List provide detailed information on individual species, including their distribution, habitat, and taxonomy. I encourage you to explore the fascinating world of Bulbophyllum orchids. Whether you're a seasoned orchid grower or just starting out, there's something to captivate everyone in this diverse and remarkable genus. Remember, when acquiring Bulbophyllum orchids, always ensure they are sourced ethically from reputable nurseries that prioritize conservation and sustainable practices. This helps protect wild populations and ensures the long-term survival of these incredible plants.